Welcome back everyone. So today's recipe is a nice pot of oats porridge. Do you love porridge? Comment down below your favorite porridge, and if you like this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button. So without further delay, let's just get straight into this recipe. So for this recipe you will need oats, of course, and I'm using the steel cut oats. Now you can use whatever oats that you have on hand. I'm also going to be using some coconut condensed milk along with some regular coconut milk, vanilla extract, cinnamon, grated nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. So whenever I'm making oats porridge, I like to soak the oat in some water just for a few minutes, not for too long. So I have about a cup of the steel cut oats right here, and I pretty much just cover this with some regular water. Now in that meantime, you want to go ahead and start adding your coconut milk to your pot with all the spices and a pinch of salt. So after adding all of that, you want to give this about 5 minutes, and then once the milk is hard enough, you're going to go ahead and add the oats. So after adding the oats, you want to give this a nice stir. Cover your pot halfway and stir this occasionally. You can also adjust the consistency of the porridge by adding a little bit more water if you wish. Some folks, they like their porridge on the runnier side, some like it on the thicker side. So throughout the cooking process, you can always adjust the consistency by adding a little bit more milk or a little bit more water. So cover your pot halfway and give this roughly 15 minutes to cook. So after about roughly 15 minutes, porridge is ready, and now it's time to add the sweetener. I'm using the coconut condensed milk. However, you can always choose to just add a regular sugar to this since we already cook it in the coconut milk, but I like the taste that the condensed milk gives the porridge. So at this point, add sweetener of choice and sweeten to your desired liking. And I also went in and add a little bit more vanilla extract. So porridge is looking lovely, and this goes well with some hard dough bread or some crackers, and you're good to go. So this is my desired consistency, and as I mentioned earlier, you can always adjust the consistency to your liking. And now to the best part. Grab your favorite bowl, pour this out, and enjoy your porridge. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this recipe, and see you all again in my next video.